Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can make a scrolling text video in CapCut for PC. Okay, I import this video for this. So I go to library and add black background in top of my video. Okay, now adjust it with my video and select it, then go to crop and crop it at a minimum size and confirm it. Then I adjust it with my video at a bottom level. Okay, now I go to animation and in animation select fade in and out animation select fade out. Okay, now where is animation in effect end, here I keep my playhead and go to text and add our text. Okay, I write hello friends, thanks for watching, please subscribe my channel. Okay, now I just change this font. Okay, and now I adjust this text with my black background and I expand this text layer with black background. Okay, now it's time to add scrolling effect in text. Now go to position and size and add a keyframe where text is started, and I put this text in the end of. Okay, now here I add another keyframe and put text at the left end. Now play the video. If you want this text more slowly, then just expand your layers and keyframe it. So friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.